Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have our 2019 Mitsubishi Triton GLS dual cab ute, stock reference number 5267. The shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4N15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. EGR canopy with all bolts and brackets, no keys. Tailgate has two small dents. Tidy rear bumper. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone button. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.